Okay, so this is problem 1456, maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. So we're given a string s and an integer k. Return the maximum number of vowels in any substring of s with length k. So first thing I even thought about was making s a list. This is something I got from another question. So I was just gonna iterate through it like usual, which is something you can do in Python, but I can't remember what was my exact issue originally doing something like this, but it's like it just makes the sense to convert into a list, right? So that's what I did there. And then I said we'll have two variables, one for the number of well, yeah, one for the number of vowels in the window and another to keep the max value for comparison reasons. Another issue of me not being able to spell the who. I just started making up line and stopped. So the first thing I did was make the window variable, the variable that holds the number of variables in that window. So is that how it works? Yeah. So in that window from I will start at 0 to k, exclusive of k. If it is a vowel, if the value at that index is a vowel, I add one to the counter that is window vowel, right? Vowel as in vowel. So then I set the max as that initial window vowel value, and then here in this whole flow here we're moving the window and checking if we need to add, checking if I'm adding vowels and comparing them. So first I moved up the window one. And if that was a vowel, then I'd add one to the counter. But since we're moving the window, we need to minus one, but only if the number that we're removing was a vowel. So I check to see if it was a vowel. If it is a vowel, then we remove it. If it's not, then this whole thing and it stays that number. You just check the max, a little comparison, and then return the value. Let's run for fun. And we're all good. Cool.